co-alarm installation in Wellington. This one's on a Toyota Aqua. All works with the factory Toyota remote control. So quite simply, arm the vehicle, LED comes on, the alarm's armed, the vehicle's immobilised. Hit the unlock button, alarm disarms, and you can drive away. So this one's got the built-in tilt sensor, it's got the ultrasonic sensors at the top of the two pillars you can see here. So that will detect if someone smashes a window. I've also put window stickers on to make people think twice before smashing them. And if I jump out, now this one here has only got one remote control, but I've added a Vodafone Automotive remote. So if I arm it, again, locks the doors, unlocks the doors. But what's quite cool with this remote is if I want to turn off the sensors, arm it once, doors are locked. Hit it a second time, one beep, ultrasonics are turned off. Press it a second time, two beeps means the level sensor's turned off, and I've hit it a third time. Three beeps means ultrasonics and the tilt sensor are turned off. And again, disarm as normal. For more information, check out vehicle security.co.nz.